Yo, sorry you guys. My thing said that it's like part 2, I guess. I have 25% of my battery in 6 minutes, but hopefully we can get down there by the time this is over with. So let's go. I'm gonna follow this dude real quick. I'm not doing anything. They have wonderful views around this city. This is like a greenway. It's like 7 miles long one way. Oh no, 14. Starts from over there and it goes all the way to I-20. Pretty insane. I'm sorry if you can hear me trying to stuff out my nose. There's something weird over there. Oh, hold on. Yo. Yo, what is that? Oh, probably something. I'm gonna try to tear it up. So, they're still passing the vehicles, like this one. It's really insane. See, yeah, I don't know what they're doing right now. This is still really weird. They looked at me, I'm so scared. Oh my god. Now we'll be posting a video for Valentine's Day. God bless. And also Happy New Year's and Merry Christmas. Sorry, I was like really late. And the concert thing, the Untitled, that was a Christmas present from me to y'all, from my mom as well. My first concert, that was insane and very mildly inappropriate. Try to combine all those videos into one. I have 21% of my battery, so we gotta like make it fast. Hopefully they left the gate open, so we gotta go fast. And yeah, there's like a huge river over here, like it's like a creek or swamp. And there's like a huge hill that goes all the way down. I've gone down it on my bike, no handlebars. If I could, I would have made a video with one hand, but it was just so creepy. And I was happy that sorry I was pointing that way, I'm sorry. But I'm just happy that I did it for myself. Okay, so we're getting really close to it, like, I mean, hold up. Yo. Oh man. Their gate's open. Let's go. You might be able to get inside. So that's awesome. I'm not even sure what time it is. It's like 4:13 here. Still, I only have like 3 minutes now. Yo, that's awesome. There's one way we can go that way or that way. I'll make another video of me going that way. But for this one, we're gonna go this way. And no, this is not clickbait. Oh my god, legit. They left it open up there. So, I don't want to get spotted either. Yeah, it's gonna be a ballpark instead of a stadium. Still pretty legit. Oh my god. Construction site, no trespassing. Oh, here's a fence. Oh my god. Yo, this is awesome. If any other trucks come by from that way, then we're gonna be screwed. This one, I'm trying to keep an eye on it while I'm also trying to snoop around. Legit though. Boom. Now we can just walk this way and get videos. I have like a minute left, but you guys, that, oh my god, legit, this is not clickbait. Oh my gosh. Like, look at that. That's insane. From my camera, it looks cooler. But there's a trail that leads down here. Hold up. Maybe there's a way over here, maybe? The same. We put up fence. Yeah, we're gonna go back. This is insane. I mean, oh my god. You guys, this is like trespassing at its biggest. Well, you guys, I only have like 49 seconds left. I'm not gonna leave the video yet until it fully ends. But just to let you know, this has been an awesome video. Please like and subscribe below. This is legit. But look at this. Look at that boy. Look at that boy. Oh my god. This is going to be more of a vlog channel, like a vlog. But, okay, I'm only about to have like 10 seconds left. I'm going to just stand here. I'm going to sit and crouch here for a minute. Well, you guys, I have like 3 seconds left. Peace out.